principle in yoga, which is whenever you're moving in one direction, something else is pulling in another direction. That's how you create extension. So as the torso is going to go forward, her back leg is going to go into the wall. And sometimes it's just helpful to have contact. That's why we're using the wall. Eventually you don't need to use the wall because you've understood how to resist, how to move two things in opposite directions. Okay, so give me a good lift in your pelvis, and on an exhalation, put your hands on the blocks, and I don't care if you can reach the floor, we're using blocks. Because what I want is to have the torso up, parallel to the ground. So the buttock is going in this direction, the crown of the head is moving straight forward, and you have a nice, I want a little more lift in your pelvis. I don't want you to sit in this pose, I want you to lengthen. That's it, lengthen the pose. So she's creating extension, moving through the crown, and I want to see your body lengthen more, not by arching. Just running a line of energy. It's like I use this principle sometimes, like putting in the plug in the socket. You got to turn the light on, otherwise the energy won't go there. You got to turn on the light and let that energy flow. Weight on the inside of the foot. She does a good job of keeping the outer ankle in and the leg nice and firm. We'll inhale, we'll come up, we'll do the other side. Okay? You come up just with